God! Did not expect that.
The one we've been headed to, or like way back southeast at like 5 o'clock? I like the looks of this one that we've been headed to.